Monkey is a monkey. Neil. Okay. Tasulagam nachwil. I hope there isn't. Okay.
What's invisible?
Doeka. Okay.
How do you say that?
Okay. So first of all, I hope there isn't. Tasulagam nachwil, literally, I have an eye that there isn't means I hope there isn't. Tasulagam nachwil, or you can say Tasulagam nachwil monkey sufficient. I hope there is not a monkey in the kitchen. Okay, and then what was the other question?
I know it invisible.
Okay. Doeka is invisible, means unseeable. Doeka. Okay. Yeah, tasulagam, that's a good expression to know by itself, I hope. Tasulagam.
I have an eye?
Yeah, I have an eye. Okay? And it's usually followed by either go or nach. That. Or that not. Okay? So Barbara, you want to ask Shamas? And me and Tu and Shogaminik, are you often here? Beam. Yeah. Okay. And why don't you ask Keelan? Kamei. You can ask the same one. Kamei to Amara. Where will you be tomorrow? Beime ik ober. I will be working. So Beime.
Actually, it's almost the same question I was going to ask, but
Yeah, you can ask. At least they have to answer a different one. Okay. So ask Garth one. Rev 2 and you. Where were you today? Yeah. Yeah, Vime ik ober. Yeah, Vime ik ober. Okay. And why don't you ask Kevin one?
Kevin, Rev Shekur and Shaktan say Shakacha.
And Reb Shafur and Chaktan Chakacha. So on Reb Shafur was it called and Chaktan Chakacha last week? Or V?
Oh no, I'm sorry. Neil.
Nirev. Vishache. So the question was on Reb Shafur was it called? And the answer no. Nirev. Vishache. So no, it was not. Okay? I guess Kirkesh just put a question. Probably should start using some of these. So Kirkesh, to ask someone a question and I wish is to put a question on them. So Kirkesh Denise.
Oh,
Nachmin to gober. Okay, so nachmin to gober sagarjing gachla. So don't you work in the garden every day? So literally in Irish, aren't you at working? Don't you be at work in the garden sagarjing gachla every day? Nivian or nivim. Okay, no. Okay, Aaron Drochur is unfortunately Aaron Drochur is unfortunately, or you can also put in front Farir. Farir is like alas. Okay? So you can say Nivian Farir or in Drochur or Nivian or in Drochur. Okay? Drochur is the bad time, on the bad time. Okay, unfortunately. Yeah, droch in front of something is bad. So I'm sure I said earlier was weather, droch I'm sure is bad weather. That's joch. Joch is a drink, joch, and droch is bad. So droch joch would be a bad drink. Okay? Alright? So Denise Kirkester Fem. And Moshe Che Anocht. is it warm tonight, Neil? Okay. All right. Agus Pam, Kirkesh Faragin in Akalat next to you. How will too? Where are you? Tome and show. I am here. Tome and show. Okay. So Faragin, Kirkesh or Folian. So put a question on Folian. Tiram? Yeah, someone comes walking in out of the rain, and we'll do Tiram. Are you dry?
Oh. Dry?
Tiram, did you say? Yeah.
Dry. Dry.
Ta. Okay. New Shirolach, I guess New Shirohe. So it's not too wet and it's not too hot. So ta to Tiram, right? Okay. A Folian Kirkesh Derakela. So put a question on your husband.
Not Rev Sheche. Shakchen Shokach.
Now, Rev Sheche and Shakchen Shakacha. So wasn't it hot last week?
Where are you living?
They say V or New Rev? V. It was. Okay. I guess Kirkesh Tanish Noreen. So put a question now on Noreen. So Karata Sakishan. So what is in the kitchen? Or who is Sakishan up in the kitchen?
Who?
You can say, or I don't know, did you say who is? I don't know. Karata, who is Sakishan? What is up in the kitchen? Or Karata Sakishan, what is in the kitchen?
Yeah, what is Karata Sakishan? Sarkiban, what's it right again? Aran.
Takupan, agus Aran on. So kupine, like cups?
Yeah.
So kupine, agus
Kupine, right. Kupine.
Aran on.
How do you say a mess?
Okay, so first of all, kupine are cups. Kupine with an I is cups. Agus Aran on. Yeah, usually would say Tasha in a frashach. It's in a mess. Tasha in a frashach. Yeah.
How do you say that? Question in front of
Say Tasha. Tasha in a frashach. It's in a mess. In a mess. So Tasha in a frashach. Literally, it is in its mess, meaning it is in a mess. Okay? Yeah, a lot of things in Irish, when you want to say how something is, you say it is in its something. You use it to describe what something is. So, in a frashach, in its mess, or Tash, use it to describe an occupation. Tasha in a doctor, he's in his doctor, means he is a doctor. Okay. I guess, Noreen, Kirkesh the river.
On beg to Ansha Amora.
So, Meitu and Sha Amara, will you be here tomorrow? Bed and Sha Amara, or Bed and Sa. Bed and Sa Amara. So I will be here tomorrow. Bed is the Pacha form. Okay, I guess regard Kirkesh to Vandy with the help.
Vandy on mean shape chest at kitchen.
And me and said chess and kitchen, does it be hot in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Nivian. Okay, so a me and cheche, huh?
Stove's not on.
Well, so the question was, and me and cheche, is it normally hot in the kitchen? So if you want to say no is Nivian, or you might say Neil Ein on, there's no oven in there, so it doesn't be hot. Okay? And Kirkesh Haigu. What was that? Kea what? Kea Vas?
Kea ve sadapata more.
Kea V, right?
Will give me a big pot.
Ke ave. The foota more. Okay. All right. Okay.
School me and
Ke ave. It. In your or in the.
In your, I thought it was that. No.
Is the foota more.
Oh, big picture.
No. Poke that one.
Hot?
Yes.
Like a.
Like,
Yeah.
put it on the stove.
Yeah. So
Turn the fire
ke.
on.
She assumes you're a cannibal, I guess.
Okay.
Can't ave is the foota more amara. So who will be in your big pot tomorrow?
like, it's like me or me, or like no one.
You'd say
Dinner or bit.
Okay, then,